A few hours ago we added playlists to Kukarella. How can you use this tool? Let's say, you want to create an audio version of a post, which you would listen to later, while driving. Copy-paste the text. Select language. And voice. Or voices. Hit Convert button. Now when conversion is done, you have an option to add created audio to your personal playlist. Create a new playlist or choose an existing one. Done. Now you can listen to this audio from the playlist. When you listen, you can switch between the voices that you use to create voiceover. Like that.
Elon Musk, middle, in April 2019 in New York.
You may also want to share your playlist with others. Just copy the link and send it to whoever you want. Or publish it in social media or on your site. Now anyone can listen to your audio. Playlists help you to organize your audio files and to share them with others. Do you have any suggestions on how we can make playlists better? We'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for using Kukarella.